have a word?
Hi, Simon. Sure.
I'd like to take a day off next Tuesday. May I?
Tuesday the 27th?
Yes. Sorry about the short notice.
That's okay. Tuesday the 27th. Fine.
Thanks. Are you all right now?
All set.
Anne, hi.
Hi.
Listen, I need to stay home tomorrow.
Oh?
The plumber's coming. Shall I just work from home for the day?
Who's in the functions office tomorrow?
George. He can always reach me, of course.
Fine. So you're out tomorrow, Simon's out next Tuesday.
Thanks a lot. Shall I write it down for you?
No, I've got it.
Okay, great, thanks.
Bye.
Anne,
George, let's discuss this in my office, shall we? Would you take this, please? Thank you.
sure. Your coffee's a little cold.
Yes, I know.